It's a very big welcome along to the Travelling Bear with Stu Bear YouTube channel. And of course, we've got Jasmine and also Teresa, and what a great time we're having. We're down here at East Kirkby. It's in Lincolnshire, and this weekend they have their absolutely brilliant air show. And so we're going to show you a couple of little clips of that. And also, we're going to tell you all about the Britstops. Hope you've enjoyed this video showing you a little bit of footage from the weekend that we've had here at East Kirkby. We've had an absolutely wonderful time, and I hope this little tiny video sort of gives you a flavour for what it's all about over at East Kirkby. Remember, it's a Britstop, and more information about that is coming up in just a moment. But it's a fantastic aviation site. They throughout the summertime they have lots of different events. We were at the air show, but they have these taxi runs as well, so certainly look out for those. Check out their website, because that will have all of the information, and links as usual are underneath the video. So sometimes you have to click on more, but you'll be able to find out all of the information. And so stay tuned, because we'll find out a little bit about Britstops. That's coming up for you right now. But hey, from Jasmine, myself, Stu Bear, and of course Teresa, that you saw earlier on the video as they were running around. That's literally, by the way, where you put your motorhomes, on that grassed section. Anyway, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to give it a like, give it a subscribe, and also, hey, why not pop over to our other YouTube channel, and that's called Air Show World. And so if you're into aviation, wow, you'll love that site. But from this one, we'll see you later in the week, when we head off to yet another great stopover location. Bye for now.
And a big welcome back to the Travelling Bear YouTube channel with my good self, Stu Bear. And today we have something exciting for you motorhome enthusiasts out there. So it's time to dive into the world of Britstops. If you're looking for a unique, diverse, community-driven motorhome experience in the United Kingdom and Ireland, you're in the right place. So grab your travel spirit, hit the subscribe button, and let's get rolling. Okay, so let's kick things off by understanding what Britstops is all about. It's not just a network, it's a community of motorhome lovers exploring the beauty of the United Kingdom. So, to join this exclusive club, you'll need the Britstops digital subscription, and of course, I have a direct link to the Britstops. Plus, I have a special offer, and more about that just a little bit later. With your membership, you get access to a treasure trove of over 1,000 stopover locations, and don't forget your nifty Britstops membership card. Now let's talk about the magic of the locations, from charming pub, historic inns, picturesque farms, and even vineyards. Britstop offers a variety of settings for your motorhome adventures. One of the coolest aspects, you get to support local businesses, whether it's enjoying a hearty meal at a pub or grabbing fresh produce from a farm shop. Every stopover is a chance to contribute to the local community. And here's the best part, no camping fees. Yep, you heard it right. Instead, Britstops encourages you to engage with the facilities, be it enjoying a cozy meal at a pub or picking up local goodies. But unlike other apps that you will see on the internet, because you've paid the subscription, you don't have to necessarily buy a meal or have a drink. Plus, there's a real sense of community among fellow Britstoppers. Britstops promotes sustainable camping and respectful travel. It's all about leaving no trace and ensuring a positive relationship between motorhome lovers and the local community. Britstops provides a convenient option for motorhome owners to find safe and interesting places to stay. Plus, you're part of a network where experiences are shared, recommendations are made, and friendships are formed. And there you have it, the magic of Britstops. It's more than just a stopover, it's an adventure, a community, and a unique way to explore the beautiful landscapes of the United Kingdom and Ireland. So, if you're a motorhome enthusiast, hit the road and let the Britstop adventure begin. And as a special thank you for watching this video, we can offer you 15% off your membership. Just follow the link under this video, and don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for lots more exciting content right here on the Travelling Bear YouTube channel with, of course, myself, Stu Bear. Until next time, thanks for watching and bye for now.